Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer GCash to new phone, so let's start. So how you can do it, to register your old phone, you have to go to open your Cash app, go to profile settings and tap account secure on your registered phone. Review the details and confirm by tapping yes on register and complete the process. And now you can register your new phone. So register your new phone with GCash to log in into your new phone and tap I want to register this phone. Follow the step to identity and then you will register. In case that you can access to your old phone, you will see the screen. It looks like change your phone like this below. And just tap I want to register this phone like this one. So you check. And then take a selfie scan on your OTP, and you will need to wait 4 hours while GCash run to the new more checks, as you can see here. After 4 hours, you can log in into GCash and your new phone at the time specific on the screen. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.